Galaxy S22 Ultra VRS Terra Guard Crystal Case. First look and hands-on. Want to give your phone the appearance of an armored truck? The VRS Design Terra Guard Galaxy S22 Plus case will do it, while keeping a few more dollars in your bank account. This case looks like a type of hard, sturdy protection while remaining comfortable in your hand. Built from polycarbonate materials, it offers rugged protection from both heavy falls and shocks, while keeping your screen and cameras safe, thanks to raised and beveled edges. It's even compatible with wireless chargers if you're tired of plugging in. Its heavy-duty aesthetic may not be what some buyers are looking for, but you do get what you pay for here, and that's reliable protection. It's only available in one color, though. The VRS Design Terra Guard Crystal is a more rugged case, and it shows. It's clear, with a clean design, but it has an industrial look nonetheless. The official description claims it's made of flexible TPU and quality PC to protect the Galaxy S22 from shocks and heavy falls.